So now I'm going to show you guys the hole and the thread features. They pretty much go hand in hand. So if we click hole, we have a few ways to place it. We can either go from sketch, so from points on sketch, we can linearly specify the location of the hole. We can make it concentric to a circle or on a point. So if we go from sketch, it'll allow us to pick the centers of the holes on the sketch. So hole there, any point on the sketch. Now if we said instead linear, we first pick the face, pick a reference, pick another reference, and then we can constrain these references. So let's say 0.4. Next thing to know is these types. So we can either have a drilled hole, a counter bore, a spot face, or a countersink. Let's make it a countersink. Now we can pick all the dimensions here. So the angle, let's keep the angle the same, but the diameter of the countersink, let's go 0.2. Actually 0.1. And the depth, and then the width, diameter. And then we can either specify the termination through distance. So we say terminate at a distance of 0.15 inches deep. So that'll make it look like this. But if we said go through all, that'll drill all the way through. We could also go to and then specify a to face. So we could pick the face on the bottom if we wanted to, but then it would be the same as going through all. So let's say through all. If we don't go through all, we go distance. We could pick the drill head, so angle or a flat, and you could specify the angle type here. So let's go flat, distance, apply, and countersunk drill hole. Now if we wanted to thread it, we're done with holes. Let me know if you want me to go over some of those features that I sort of mentioned. I kind of skimmed over it, but they're pretty simple. So just let me know if it was too quick and if I should slow down or if I'm doing all right. So we click thread. Thread's very easy. We basically pick the face. We want to thread this face. Then do we want to go all the way down? No. Let's offset it or length. Let's say 0.1 of an inch, so you can see it's changed it there. It doesn't. The thread isn't going to go all the way into the hole. It's just going to be the top 0.1. But if we wanted to offset that, we could offset that another 0.1. So now our thread starts at 0.1 deep and it goes 0.1 more to 0.2. But that's it. So, but usually you just end up doing full length. Specification. You could give the thread type, size, class. It's got everything in here. ISO, ANSI, you name it. So left hand, right hand, really overkill on here. So then I hit apply and we've got it threaded. There, I don't know if you just saw that, but we could even thread this thing. It's not the nicest looking graphic on it, but still does the trick. Yeah, let's not bother threading that. That's kind of pointless. Anyways, so that's how you use the thread. So once again, you could have it go full way through or just a distance and offset it. So come back for the next video, comment on how I'm doing, and subscribe. See you guys.